Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. Today we will learn to find the divisors of 38. If you want to learn more about divisors, please visit mathstoon.com. You can also check the link given in the description box. Now let's move to the solution. Firstly, we will find all the possible ways in which we can divide 38. Let's start from 1. 38 divided by 1 is 38. Hence, 1 and 38 are the divisors of 38. Now we will try for 2. 38 divided by 2 is 19. So, 2 and 19 are the divisors of 38. Now look that there is no number between 2 and 19 which can divide 38. So we will stop right now. Now look that we have all the divisors of 38 which are in orange colors. These numbers are 1, 2, 19 and 38. So the total number of divisors of 38 is 4. Now we will look at these divisors. Look that 2 and 19 among these numbers are prime numbers because these two numbers do not have any divisor other than 1 and this number itself. So the prime divisors of 38 are 2 and 19. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos.